Look at this beautiful line. Is it a chart of my stress levels? No. Is it the price of olive oil? Of course no. Well, this is the price of DDR5 RAM right now, mid-December 2025. Remember 2 years ago when memory was so cheap, companies were practically throwing 32 gigs at us? Yeah, those days are dead. And if you're planning to build a PC today, I hope you are ready to sell your kidney. Because the budget build is officially an endangered species. So why are we paying double for the same silicon we bought last year? No, not this one. Yeah, that. Is it a supply chain glitch? A boat stuck in a canal? No, it's because of these chatbots. And here's the deal. To run those fancy AI models that write your emails and generate weird images of cat, big tech needs HBM, high bandwidth memory. Consider HBM as the filet mignon of memory. Your desktop DDR5 RAM is a hot dog. So Samsung, SK Hynix and Micron, the big three, looked at their factories and said, hey, why sell hot dogs to broke gamers for $5 when we can sell filet mignon to Google for $5,000? Making HBM is hard. It eats up 3 times the production capacity of normal RAM. So they literally deleted the entire production lines for your memory to make room for their memory. And don't just take my salty words for it. Read the room. TrendForce says prices are up 20% just this quarter. Micron announced in their earnings call that they are fully booked through 2026. Fully booked? Like a Michelin restaurant that doesn't want you there? The headlines are all saying the same thing. Consumer DRAM is a second priority. Ouch. We are the side chick of the tech world, guys. And it gets worse. This isn't just about your gaming rig. Because RAM is so expensive, smartphone makers for 2026 are already panicking. Analysts are predicting spec downgrades. That's right. The mid-range phone that you buy next year might actually have less or same memory than the one you bought 3 years ago. And you will also be charged an extra $100 for the privileges.
Most advanced iPhone we've ever created.
Even SSDs are joining the pity party. Enterprise SSDs are hogging all the NAND flash, so storage prices are creeping up too. Basically, if it goes inside a computer, it costs more now. So, how long until the nightmare ends? Well, if we trust the forecast, we are screwed until at least late 2026.
No, God!
Building new factories takes years, and right now, every new machine is being told to make AI chips, not stuff for us peasants. Here's my financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. If you need RAM, buy it now. Like, pause this video and buy it. Don't wait for New Year sale. The sale is a lie. Otherwise, get used to closing your Chrome tab, because 16 gig is the new poverty line. Like and subscribe so I can afford to upgrade my PC too. See ya.